Hey guys, David here, back for another video. So today we're going to be discussing this beautiful monster that I just spent 11 hours rebuilding. She is a Polini Thor 200 Italian paragliding motor that I got for $2 from a scrapper buddy. I'm glad I got this thing. I have completely torn her apart down to the bare crankshaft and counterbalance. And she is awesome. I've made it just a quick little stand, welded it all together. Power supply, I even got the optional GP4. Just, I don't know why this is backwards, it's kind of strange. But whatever, it's awesome. It works for the most part. Y'all can see that it's really barely visible. I kind of took a cover and I'm going to put that back on. That probably helps a lot. But yeah, today we're gonna start this thing, and I already did, and she runs like a champ. I do have to turn the throttle, the low throttle, down a bit. She idles a little high, especially without a muffler. That should be good. Okay, y'all ready? Whew. Here goes nothing. Let's switch motors there. I'm right here actually, because you can motor and you don't see roads. They turn that point. Okay, she's out of here for me. And this spark? What's wrong? She did factory suddenly. Don't take the manual already. Wouldn't that suck? When it just sparks? Oh yeah, I got things down. There we go. Get us again. Out of breath. Okay. For some reason she's starting. Can we go? Try again. So she definitely works. Awesome. Well, now I know it's worth the money, worth investing some money into her. I see we have a small fuel leak. Where's that coming from? Okay, that's what I expected. That hose clamp isn't exactly what you'd call tight. But yeah, she works. That little guy works. I have to go get a new polarizer for her. But that's utterly awesome. Sweet. Well, I found a new exhaust for a $75 and $10 shipping. So I'm gonna go buy that, and yeah, talk to y'all later.